The action camera world is about to witness a massive shakeup. And if you've been waiting for a GoPro killer, or just the next big thing in adventure videography, the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6 might just be the game changer we've all been waiting for. Over the past few weeks, leaks have been flooding social media and tech forums, and they all point to one thing. DJI is coming in strong this time, aiming to completely dominate the action cam space with innovation, design, and features that might feel almost futuristic. Let's dive deep into everything that's been surfacing about the DJI Osmo Action 6, from the camera's mind-blowing new sensor to the rumored 8K recording, battery upgrades, and the crazy integration with smartwatches that might just redefine how you shoot your next adventure. Now imagine this. You're standing on top of a mountain, the light is perfect, your adrenaline is high, and your camera captures every pixel of your story in cinematic perfection. That's the promise DJI is teasing with this next-generation Osmo Action 6. According to multiple leaks from Notebook Check, Tech Radar, and DJI rumors, this beast is expected to feature a massive 1.1-inch CMOS sensor, which is a serious upgrade over its predecessor and possibly even larger in some prototype tests, maybe even pushing toward a full 1-inch design. That's huge, not just literally, but because sensor size is everything in cameras. It means better low-light performance, sharper dynamic range, and richer, more lifelike colors that pop out even in tough lighting. And if that wasn't enough to grab your attention, early reports suggest that DJI might introduce a variable aperture lens, something that's almost unheard of in the action camera world. We're talking an f2.0 to f4.0 adjustable range, giving creators the power to control exposure, depth of field, and cinematic blur like never before. For filmmakers and vloggers, that's a massive leap. But it doesn't stop there. The leaks suggest that the Osmo Action 6 could also support 8K video recording. Yes, you heard that right, 8K in an action cam. That's absolutely insane. While most brands are still perfecting 4K or 5.3K stabilization, DJI seems ready to leap into the next generation of Ultra HD content creation. Imagine the creative possibilities: cropping, zooming, stabilizing, all without losing detail. Pair that with DJI's legendary Rocksteady stabilization, rumored to get an upgrade to Rocksteady 4.0, and we're probably looking at some of the smoothest footage ever produced from a pocket-sized device. Early whispers suggest the camera will also pack a brand new imaging processor, possibly the same chip used in DJI's top-tier drones, bringing better image processing, reduced heat management, and longer recording durations at high resolutions. And here's where things get even more exciting for adventure junkies. The Osmo Action 6 might have built-in smartwatch integration, reportedly compatible with the Apple Watch and Garmin devices. This means you could potentially control your camera, monitor battery levels, or view basic telemetry data like speed or heart rate directly from your wrist, which is perfect for bikers, surfers, or skiers who don't want to pull out the camera mid-action. That's next-level convenience, and it sounds exactly like something DJI would do. The leaks also hint at a bigger battery, around 1,150 mAh, giving users several hours of continuous 4K shooting, an improvement that vloggers and travelers will love. Combined with fast USB-C charging, you might be able to go from 0 to full in under an hour, making it perfect for quick recharges on the go. Design-wise, leaked promotional shots show a slightly refined body, more rugged edges, enhanced heat dissipation vents, and possibly a new quick-release mounting system. The screen looks brighter and sharper, maybe even supporting higher refresh rates for smoother previews, while the waterproofing is rumored to extend beyond 20 meters without a case. That's double what most action cams can handle out of the box, putting this device in a league of its own. Another interesting rumor suggests internal storage, possibly 64 GB built-in, alongside microSD expansion, which is a welcome feature for those who've lost footage due to corrupted cards. And for audio lovers, leaks mention improved microphone placement and better wind noise reduction, which could make a real difference for creators who rely on onboard audio instead of external mics. Now about the price. Early reports indicate a starting point around $329 in the US, which, if true, would be a killer value considering these specs. That price point puts it directly against the GoPro Hero 13 Black, but with potentially more innovative tech and better low-light performance. DJI seems to be sending a clear message. This is not just another update. This is a statement. What's also catching people's attention is the rumored release date, November 10th, 2025. Multiple sources claim DJI will host a global virtual event to unveil this camera. possibly alongside new accessories like a metal cage, filter kit, and grip handle bundle. If those leaks hold true, we could see pre-orders open just days after the reveal. The Osmo Action 6 might also come with new AI-powered shooting modes like automatic scene recognition, real-time horizon leveling, and autofocus face tracking. These features, combined with DJI's experience in drones and gimbals, could result in the smoothest, smartest action camera experience ever made. But let's be real, leaks are leaks, and while some come from highly reliable insiders, nothing is confirmed until DJI says it. Even so, the consistency of these rumors across multiple sources gives us a pretty clear idea of what's cooking behind the scenes. And judging by the leaks, DJI isn't just making another action camera, they're building a creative powerhouse that could blur the lines between pro cinematography and extreme sports gear. If these details prove true, we're about to witness a serious revolution in the action cam market. Think about it. 8K recording, variable aperture, massive sensor, smartwatch control, and improved battery life, all packed into a compact, rugged body. It's like DJI took every wish list from creators and checked every box. And for US consumers, this camera could become the ultimate travel companion, whether you're road tripping across the Rockies, surfing in California, or capturing the neon energy of Times Square at night. The possibilities are endless. For YouTubers and filmmakers, it might even replace the need for bulkier gear in certain situations. But what's truly impressive is DJI's vision here. They're not just competing with GoPro anymore, they're building an ecosystem. Between their drones, gimbals, and now next-gen cameras, they're setting the stage for seamless connectivity and unmatched creative control. The Osmo Action 6 seems like the perfect centerpiece for that vision. And if DJI can deliver all this with rock-solid stabilization, crisp audio, and powerful AI tools, then honestly, we might be looking at one of the most significant leaps forward in the action camera industry in years. So if you're planning to upgrade your gear or start your adventure vlogging journey, this might be the camera to wait for. As the leaks keep rolling in, it's getting harder and harder not to get hyped. The question now isn't whether the DJI Osmo Action 6 will be good, it's how far it'll push the boundaries of what we thought was possible in such a tiny form factor. One thing's for sure, when DJI officially pulls the curtain back, the action camera world won't be the same again. So stay tuned, because this November might just redefine what capturing the moment truly means. And that's the story so far on the DJI Osmo Action 6. A camera that isn't just about recording moments, but redefining how we experience them. If even half of these leaks turn out to be true, DJI is about to change the entire landscape of action filmmaking forever. Imagine a device so smart, so powerful, and so compact that it feels like carrying a full film crew in your pocket. That's the level we're heading toward. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie chasing waves, a traveler capturing your next adventure, or a creator pushing your storytelling limits, the Osmo Action 6 looks ready to deliver a whole new era of creativity. Now, all eyes are on November 10th, the rumored reveal date, and when that day comes, the world will finally see whether DJI can truly dethrone GoPro and take the crown for good. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the moment DJI makes it official, we'll break down every detail right here. Until then, stay creative, stay curious, and get ready, because the future of action cameras is